There's no doubt in my mind. We saw him stop it in, his first administration. I think we'll see it again. And again, what you're going to see, Jim, in the coming days, weeks, and months is a very pro-America trade policies and enforcements. We saw the memo last Monday on tariffs and what they're going to do, and I think they're going to be far-reaching, and I think they're going to be very broad to, again, stop the illegal dumping, the manipulation, currency manipulation, and subsidization of steels coming into the shores of the U.S.
Can you please explain to people what transshipment is, that it's entirely possible that a country like China uses middlemen in Canada and Mexico to smuggle their steel in here, basically, because that's what it is. They're smuggling it.
Well, when you think about the U.S. consumption at about 100 million tons, about 100 million tons is leaving the shores of China looking for a home. And the greatest home and the greatest economic home in the world is the United States. So whether it's Vietnam, Canada, Mexico, it's got to stop. Canadian and Mexican imports account for almost 40% of the entire import picture in the U.S. So the trade agreements that were brought under USMCA have got to go back. We've got to reinstate 232 and, again, create a fair and level playing field. And, again, today that is not the case.
Now, let's make it clear. You are not saying that Nucor should have unfettered access. You're fine with these companies and countries. If they want to open steel mills in this country, you're more than fine. You're not against that.
Look, we'll compete against anybody in the world. We've said that for years and years and decades. And so, again, our cost structure, our team, I would stack up against anybody. Jim, it's exactly what you described. It's the illegal dumping, the subsidization of steels, and the currency manipulation that creates a very unbalanced and unlevel playing field that has hurt the steel industry for decades.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.